question. Are you one of those people who keeps their shirt on at the pool? Or maybe you're like me and you always wear shorts to hide your saddlebags? Well, what if I told you you could freeze away the fat forever? Dr. Kristen Jacobs from Ooh La La Spa, Anti-Aging and Wellness is here to tell us how Coolsculpting works. And it really works. I've seen it. It's amazing.
It is.
So you brought a new little device. Because the Coolsculpting machine I'm used to seeing is really big.
It is. Well, this is a handpiece for that device. So we
Okay.
have several different hand pieces. This is the brand new one that we can use for people who can't pinch the fat. You know, we used to say if you can squeeze it, you can freeze it. Well, now we don't have to do that. So if there's an area like the outer thighs where you can't squeeze and pull that skin in there, the fat in there, we can put this right on top of it. So it's just a flat applicator, and then it conforms to the body. So
This is great for people who are trying to lose those last few inches on their waistline, their stomach, and their thighs.
Pretty much everywhere, and like I said, this one is really designed for the outer or inner thighs, but you can use it on your abdomen, your back fat, your bra fat, anything. We still have all the other hand pieces too, so obviously we're going to pick the right one for you.
Now people, especially when you see these before and after pictures, some people would think, okay, this sounds too good to be true, but this is FDA approved.
It is.
It really does work.
It does.
And tell me how it works.
So it freezes the fat, and then what happens, the fat cells melt away and they just are excreted outside the body. So you're not freezing all your fat. That's not possible to do, but we're freezing those problem areas. So it's really designed for people who are pretty fit. I mean, not everybody, but post-baby is a great one. But people who really watch what they eat, it's not a miracle. You know, it's not a weight loss kind of thing. It really is for those problem areas.
Those fat cells will not return there, but what can happen is you can gain weight in other places.
Well, not necessarily in other places, but because we can't freeze all of the fat, those fat cells, yes, or the other ones can actually increase in size if you gain a lot of weight.
Gotcha. So tell me how this works when you leave the office. Do you notice something different right away, or does this take time?
Yes, it does take time. Actually, we have you come back about 30 days, but really the true results are going to come at 3 to 6 months, between 3 and 6 months.
Wow, you're losing inches.
You're losing inches that
6
whole
months
time.
later.
Yes. So a lot of people, when they come in, they'll see results at the 30-day mark, but we have them come back at the 60-day and then, of course, at the 90-day again. And you absolutely see results each time, and they get better and better and better with you know, passing time.
And what I like about Ooh La La is then once you have lost the inches, you'll also help them, you know, change their lifestyle, tweak it so they don't have that fat return.
Right. That's one of the things that we pride ourselves on is we have a great wellness program, and we have all different ways that you can lose weight or just maintain your weight.
So this thing, is it going to fit on my thigh? Can I do it? Right there. Yes.
Absolutely.
And here's the thing. No, I was talking to one of the girls at your office who had this done recently. She's like, I fell asleep. Like, that's so relaxing.
That's exactly right. So,
that's amazing.
right.
Okay. Thank you. I love it. It sounds too good to be true, but it really works. And that's
It
the best
does.
part. Okay, here's what you need to do. You need to book your free consultation with Dr. Jacobs. All you have to do that is call 618-288-9117. You can also visit oolalawellness.com. They're in Glen Carbon. It's like 15 minutes from here, downtown. So easy to find.
Nice.
There you
Go up there and take a nap.
That's right. While you're being
Catch up on
I'll
your
drive
reading.
15 minutes for a nap, I'll tell you that much.
And I'll
It's
tell
worth
you,
it.
I'll
Small
tell you this
price to
too.
pay.
Keep a real close eye on the
Yeah.
device there, because make sure
Well, you need
leave
the other
with
end.
it.
You need the
She
other
didn't
end,
bring
right?
it.
You need the
Oh,
machine.
okay.
All right.
Yes.
I was going to say, it looks like one of those old Hoover vacuum cleaners.
Well, it kind of is. That other piece is really big, like an old
Where's
Hoover
the-
vacuum
where's
cleaner,
the
so you can
canister?
bring it.
Right.
You don't want to know.
All right.
Thank you, ladies.